As he comes out of the music class, he starts searching for his chappals. He first of all calls Lali, okay, and says, I kept my chappals here. Now it is not there. Where have they gone? He inquires. The three children are just playing marble under the tree. And the music master looks at them in an unappreciated manner. So he just ignores them and again starts saying, Where are my chappals? Where are my chappals? Now the music master starts telling just lie. Okay, he says that they were expensive and brand new. He also says, okay, to buy a new pair of chappals, I have to spend your 1 month fee. He also mentions that he went to buy those chappals to Mount Road. He is speaking all these which are all lies. Because we know initially how the chappals looked. So Lali is afraid. She goes inside and tells her mother, Rukumani, everything what had happened. Okay, her mother Rukumani, now she feels a little embarrassed. Now, if you have noticed in our own house, if something goes wrong or something is stolen or taken away from our house, then mothers are worried, you know. So this is what happening with Rukumani too. So Rukmani was embarrassed at this scene, and Pati also comes into the scene. Pati, the grandmother says, Pati says, so many vendors come to the door. Okay, here Pati says that there are so many vendors who come in the street to sell their things. Okay, so they might have stolen the slippers. Now Rukumani questions 3 of them, but Rukumani sees the 3. Ravi, Meena and Mridu are playing under the tree. So she starts asking each of them, have you seen the chappals of music master? So Mridu is very innocent, and all the more she is, there in others' house. So she is afraid and just starts shivering, and finally she tells everything what had happened. She says that we gave those chappals to the beggar. Obviously, if this kind of things happens in our family, mothers get annoyed. Similarly, Rukmani is annoyed by the act of these three children, and so she says, these days children are so irresponsible. How can they give someone's belongings to anyone? But Mridu is thinking, if they had seen the blisters of the beggar, they would have not been annoyed. She was just consoling herself. All right. Now, Ravi gives example of Karan. Karan was a generous person. So Ravi is giving the example of Karan to his mother. He says that Karan was a very generous person. He used to give to beggars to help them in form of jewelry. He gives this example to his mom. So the mother says he was giving his own things and not the things taking from others. Okay. In defense, Ravi says, Mom, if I gave my slippers, they would not have come to fit. Therefore, I had to take someone's slippers to give him. His mother was already angry. Now she becomes all the more angry, and she just shouts and says, go inside the house. Okay. Now Rukmani thinks, what to do then? Okay. Rukmani now brings a Gopu Mama's hardly worn out chappals. Okay. So there was a pair of chappals which was of Gopu Mama's. So she brings those chappals, and these chappals were very brand new. Hardly they were used. So taking those chappals, mother gives to the music master. Now music master was very happy, and his eyes lit up with joy because these chappals were brand new, but he does not want to show his joy. Now what happens? Rukmani says, let's have something, and takes them to the kitchen. And then Rukmani starts laughing. The children think, why she is laughing? Rukmani then says to Mridu, as your Gopu Mama comes home, he takes off his shoes and wears slippers. And she was laughing because she was just thinking, if he comes today and asks for slippers, what will I say to him? Will I say that I gave your slippers to music master? So she was thinking all of this, and on these thoughts she was laughing. And this is how the second part of the story ends. And this was the whole story on the lesson, a gift of chappals. That how they gifted those chappals to the beggar, and at the end you will see that the music master was very happy when he gets the new chappal. You know, in this way, in both the cases, they were very happy. The two persons get the gift of chappals. The one was the beggar and another was the music master. So I hope this lesson is very clear to you guys, and you have enjoyed the story. Thank you for watching this video.